Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify color palettes in Wix Brand Tools step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log in to your Wix account using your credentials. From your dashboard, click on the brand option located in the left-hand menu. Once in the Brand Tools section, navigate to the Color tab. Here, you will see the existing color palette for your brand. To verify the color palette, check the primary, secondary, and accent colors displayed. Click on any color box to view its details. You will see the hex code, RGB values, and other formats for the selected color. Compare these values to your brand guidelines to ensure consistency. If any colors do not match your guidelines, make a note of them. To edit a color, simply click on the color box you wish to change. Choose a new color from the color picker or enter a specific hex code. Once satisfied with your changes, click the Save button to update your palette. Now, review the entire palette to confirm all colors are correct. If everything looks good, your color palette is now verified. You can exit the Brand Tools section by clicking on the X in the top right corner. Your brand colors are now set and ready for use across your Wix site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.